Are you ready?
Yes, we might.
Can I come visit you?
Yes. You can come up. It's east one.
I will come up.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Wait, do you want to start and then I start and we do
Yes.
the welcome to our room?
Okay, yes. Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm from Belgium.
Hi, I'm Ditte. I'm from Denmark. And welcome to our room. I decided to start at the high school kind of on a whim because Sophie and I, we went to the same art school before, and then they were like, hey, this is really cheap, you can get a good price and they have nice things, and we already saw it beforehand, and then I was like, oh, that sounds really nice, so I started here, and now I'm also on my second semester and it's really nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
My mom had an exchange year when she was younger, and she always just said to me that I should go to to a different country, and I was looking to all different places, but then I saw like Højskole and I thought that was really interesting.
I did not know that I was going to take a second semester once I started here. The plan was just originally one semester, but then I figured out like it was such a nice place to stay, and like a lot of my friends from the first semester also like continued on to a second semester, which was really nice. No, we did not know each other before we started at the school.
No, but I feel like we instantly clicked though.
Yeah, it was one of the first days.
Yeah.
And then we've been like glued together ever since.
I think for me it's like in the morning when we get ready and we can be like, oh, do you think this is nice? Or like just talk a little bit about you, get ready or play music.
Like having a clothing crisis together. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like just because when Ditte's not here, for example, in the weekend, it's so like
It's empty.
Yeah, it's so quiet.
Yeah.
I don't really like being alone in the room.
It was same when you were gone. I was like, I'm just here.
Yeah.
I was so scared actually before starting my first semester, and really like anxious about how things were gonna play out. But I did not want to live alone. I wanted to live with a roommate because then I had like a buddy that I could like for the first few days like get to know and go around with. So I like had somebody to like communicate with.
Living with someone you don't know is completely fine. There's a lot of communication, and also the school has a like in the beginning, in the intro week, kind of like a debate about being a roommate, which is also really nice to think about certain things. I think it's really nice that it's a place where you, if you have a creative idea, you can just go and do it. Like you can go to art and find the materials, or if you want to sew something, you can just go across the courtyard and find a sewing machine. Yeah, which is so nice to be able to do anything.
If you want to do something, go to an art school or an academy or something like that, like an institute of any kind. It's really nice to have the facilities also. Yeah, to like expand your artwork.
Yeah, and also the teachers can help with portfolios and stuff like that.
Yeah. I think it's hard to say what's your favorite thing to do, because for me, like I'm mostly in art and photo, but I also go up to music a lot, or like in ceramics. Sometimes we also sit there.
Yeah.
Like
when people gather in sewing and like we play GTA and then some people sew, or if we just sit in ceramics with music and talk while people work and throw, that's so cozy to me. So.
Having crazy photo shoots.
Yes.
Watching movies up in media. Yeah.
Yes. Taking advice, if you think that you're not bringing enough, you probably are. Mainly just bring what you wear the most, because you will go to the thrift store and buy more.
Yeah.
Taking advice, bring enough underwear and socks, because sometimes you don't want to do laundry, and then when you run out, I've been to Netto and bought more underwear because I couldn't get myself to do laundry. Packing advice: if you have a nice room at home, really just take the stuff you really like, because like an empty room is never nice. Or empty walls, that's so sad.
It is. If you have a nice room, it's nice to be in it also.
Packing advice, but also don't bring too much. For example, my mom made me bring 5 bottles of shampoo, which is so unnecessary because now my closet is just stuffed with shampoo. Packing advice:
be mindful of what you can buy while you're here.
Because you can buy a lot.
Yeah.
There are
stores. We're not in the middle of nowhere. It might seem like that, but we're not.
Yeah. We just walk around naked the whole time, kind of.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. ASMR. Yes.
This is such a tiny microphone.
Free the nibbles.